In primetime news this evening, no political ombudsman in place for local government election. The question on worried Jamaicans amid stalemate over the future of that office.
Fresh concerns about when investigative reports from the Integrity Commission will come to Parliament.
And local anti-corruption group wants greater scrutiny of public officials. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I am Andrea Chisholm with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Andrew, we have quite a bit to go through, but our main story this evening is that the local unemployment rate has hit a new low. I'll have the details a little later on.
All right, and the young West Indians have me watching cricket again. Spencer Darlington is here with a preview of what's to come in primetime sports. Spencer?
Yes, indeed. Thank you, Herman. Well, the young Windies, as Herman said, scored their first victory in the Super 6 phase of the ICC Under-19 World Cup in South Africa. We'll give you the details on that and much more in primetime sports later.
Thank you, Spencer. The West Indies are back in business. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. What would you change to increase the use of renewable energy in Jamaica?
Share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
All right, please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.